Welcome to Villingili Island, Shangri-la Resort Maldives. This is our villa. This is our two mean machines that we use to ride around the resort. Come through the doors. Come on, welcome. Please come in. Oh, this is our villa. Beautiful. Yes. Watch out for the crabs. The crazy crabs. If you'd like to wash your feet, please do. Welcome. Please come up the steps. Watch your feet. That's a nice window from our bedroom. This is the deck area. You're welcome to sit outside on the table, grab a refreshment, a drink, or smoke a cigar. That is the door to our room. And that is the door to our entertainment area. Please pull up a chair. Enjoy the scenery, the greenery. Beautiful. Please come in. Our lounge room, our entertainment area. Have a glass of champagne, maybe a cognac or two. Please sit down, have some fruit. Come back outside, please. That is the view, the greenery surrounding the villa. Sunbake if you will, if you must. That is the pool, overlooking the beach view, the infinity pool. Please jump in, put some sunscreen on it. Coconut butter, beautiful blue, ocean breeze, sunset. Please enjoy the villa. Please come through. This is the bedroom. It's quite a large bed. The TV. What a lovely room it is. Please enjoy. Sit down on the bed. Take off your thongs. Come for a walk. Oh, that is the bathroom. Come through. Beautiful. This is the indoor shower. Please wash your hair. Use some bath soap. Or the vanities. Beautiful. The outdoor shower. This is the toilet where you can brush your teeth at the same time. Please come through. This is the bath where you bathe. Beautiful. Huge bath. Fits 5, maybe 6. Overlooking the pool and the ocean view. Beautiful. Sublime. Come outside. Have a nice outdoor shower in nature with the crabs and the bees. Fantastic. Have some bath soap. Don't get into your eyes. Beautiful. Come back inside. Enjoy the view. The vanities. Brush your teeth. Have some mouthwash. Beautiful. Tastes great. Oh, what the hell? What the hell is that? Oh, it's me.